Hi, and welcome to your asynchronous lesson on your sustainability and ecological footprint. So you're going to be doing a couple things. You're first going to be taking the test and putting your data in this Google sheet that looks like this. You're then going to be reading an article about the efficiency dilemma, or Jevon's paradox. It's my favorite. There's a good video that also explains it if you need more information. You're then going to be answering a question about your ecological footprint, how you might see Jevon's paradox relate to your own footprint, and then you're going to redo the test, thinking about ways in which you could maybe, based on structural or personal choices, try and make your environmental footprint friendlier. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to answer every single question as best you can based on your own lifestyle. So I'm going to put occasionally for meat, and I would record occasionally here. You'll notice that some of the questions have URLs, which might bring you to websites or resources to help you better understand your own personal data. Just to help you understand Stow Electric easily, it's 56% renewable. And this is where your results will be when we get to the end of the question. So I'm just going to go through this quickly, not really thinking about all of the questions, but I just want to be able to show you the results. Freestanding means your house is by itself. My house is made with wood. There's 2 people in my household, and it's about 1,400 square feet. I do have electricity in my house. Gonna put that here for above average. What percentage of my household's electricity is renewable? About 56%. Sometimes if the question doesn't load, you should press reload. I add detail to improve accuracy. I'll go with average. I'll put in frequently, occasionally. Don't really get books or magazines. How much do you pay? A lot of paper, quite a bit of plastic. I'm going to save that. I travel about 160 miles a week. I do not have a moped. My Subaru gets about 30 miles to the gallon. Ooh, I almost never carpool. Shame. I don't take public transportation. Shame. I have not flown at all this year, so I'm going to put 0. And bingo, 3.3 Earths. So your eco-friendly, intelligent, save the world environmental science teacher can only manage to use 3.3 resources of Earth. So you're going to go to results part 2. And you're going to be putting in some data for your overall footprint. So how many Earths? You would be 3.3. What is your overshoot day? April 12th. What is your ecological footprint? You would look at 5.7 global hectares. What is your carbon footprint? My carbon footprint is 3.1 hectares. You're going to be looking at the pie chart. What is your built-up forest or built-up footprint? It is 0.2 hectares, and you'll do that for each of these. This is telling you how many tons of CO2 you emit per year, and this is the percent of your footprint that is indeed carbon. You can compare your results to that data. So that's going to be how you put in your data, and it will be the same for the second time. So after you do the test the first time, you're going to go up and take a look at Jevon's paradox by thinking about this article. You're going to be exploring the results that surprised you in your ecological footprint, and then you're going to be also thinking about how Jevon's paradox might apply to some of these different aspects that may or may not save us energy and carbon as we think about our footprint. Um, Let me know if you have any questions or need any help, and I will see you guys soon. Take care.